In one of our previous videos, we showed you how you can earn online from cryptocurrency. Today, we'll show you how you can use YouTube to earn some extra cash at home, or maybe even use it as your main source of income. If this interests you, then stay tuned. Another way to make money online without depositing any money is through YouTube. YouTube is currently the second most popular website on the internet, with over 2 billion users worldwide. The richest YouTubers earn over $20 million from YouTube. You too could make a lot of money from YouTube at home. How it works is that you get paid when someone views an ad you've placed on your video. Say you've uploaded 20 monetized videos, and each of them gets 10,000 views, that's 200,000 views total. You could earn between $900 to $1,000 from that. That's it, you simply make videos you like and upload them. And if done correctly, you could be making hundreds of dollars monthly. Be careful not to rush into it though. To be successful in YouTube doesn't happen overnight or by luck. You have to put an effort to get results. Which is why I urge you to go through the YouTube channel creation playlist in the description of this video. In this video, we showed you how you can make money through YouTube. But that's not all we have for you. In our later videos, we will introduce you to other much more lucrative online earning methods. If this is something you look forward to seeing, click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when we upload those videos. Let's reach 200 subscribers together. When this video gets 50 likes, we'll reveal to you another platform to make money that is a lot more rewarding than the one discussed in this video. So hit that like button and wait for the next video.